Your editor is about to become your slowest employee if you pick the wrong AI in 2026. This is not just Cursor versus Claude Code versus Codex. It is a fight over where the agent lives when the work gets messy. Inside your editor, inside your terminal, or inside a bigger app that handles code, browser work, docs, and follow-ups. Cursor is the editor-first monster. Cursor 3 turned the app into an agent control room. Its new Agents window can run multiple agents in parallel across local repos, work trees, cloud machines, and remote SSH, then keep them side by side in a tiled layout so you can compare output without bouncing all over the place. It also got more visual. Design mode lets you point at live UI in the browser instead of writing vague bug reports. Canvases can generate dashboards, charts, diffs, and to-do lists that stay in the agent workspace. And for teams that care about security, Cursor now supports self-hosted cloud agents, so code, secrets, and tool execution stay inside your own network. Then there's review. Bugbot can now learn from pull request feedback and use MCP for extra context. That is a big deal if your team ships fast and reviews are the bottleneck. But don't pick a winner yet, because Cursor is strongest when your whole world still revolves around the IDE. Claude Code attacks the problem from the other direction. It reads your codebase, edits files, runs commands, and plugs into tools from the terminal, IDE, desktop app, browser, and Slack. The best agent is not always the one with the cleanest editor. Sometimes it's the one still working when your laptop is shut. That is why Claude Code feels different in 2026. Routines can run on Anthropic-managed infrastructure, so scheduled jobs keep going even when your machine is off. You can start work on the web or iPhone, pull it into the terminal with Claude-teleport, hand sessions to the desktop app for visual diff review, and even route tasks from Slack. Power users get even more. Claude Code supports MCP, instructions, hooks, custom commands, subagents, and an agent SDK. Recent updates added checkpoints so you can roll back bad turns fast, plus a cleaner terminal experience. There is also early preview work around cloud planning and computer use in the CLI. So if you live in shells, CI, chat ops, and automation, Claude Code feels less like a coding assistant and more like a work engine. Keep that in mind, because Codex made the biggest identity shift of the three. OpenAI pushed Codex way beyond code in April 2026. You can now start chats without choosing a project folder first, which means research, planning, writing, source gathering, and tool work can start before a repo is even open. Codex also added an in-app browser, so you can open local or public pages, comment on the rendered result, and send page-level fixes back to the agent. It added thread automations for scheduled follow-ups, a task sidebar for plans and artifacts, pull request review inside the app, and an artifact viewer for files like PDFs, spreadsheets, docs, and presentations. In plain English, Codex wants to own more of the messy work around software, not just the code. And yes, Codex now does computer use on macOS, so it can see, click, and type through native app testing and GUI-only bugs, though launch region limits apply. It also rolled out alpha SSH remote connections, multiple terminals, multi-window support, plugins, and memory features that carry stable preferences forward. So who wins? If you want the sharpest editor-first experience, Cursor is probably the best pick. The multi-agent workspace is real. The UI loop is fast. If you want the most flexible tool across CLI, browser, desktop, phone, and team chat, Claude Code is the strongest workflow machine. It is built for people who do not want the agent trapped in one window. If you want the broadest workspace for coding, planning, PR review, browser feedback, and non-code artifacts, Codex is the biggest bet. It feels less like an editor and more like a workbench. Here is the blunt truth. In 2026, the biggest gap is not who writes the prettiest function. It is who breaks your flow less when the job turns into debugging, reviewing, scheduling, handoff, UI testing, or tomorrow's follow-up. Cursor wins the IDE war. Claude Code wins the workflow war. Codex wins the work beyond code war. Pick Cursor if your pain is inside the editor. Pick Claude Code if your pain is across tools and time. Pick Codex if your pain is that software work is no longer just software. That is the whole game now. The tool is not replacing your job. It is replacing the friction between one step and the next. Thank you.